Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hair color in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to visit Dorothy, and Dorothy is here at the central square. You can track her and go to her shop and go to the second floor until you find this mirror. Or if you have your own mirror in your house, you can also use it. You can use the mirror to customize your appearance. Okay, I'm going to go to the hairstyle. I'm going to choose this one, and if you want to change the color, you can click on this menu, this one. Okay, click on this menu and then you can select the the color that you want to apply. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, just like this, and click on purchase and confirm. Yeah, just like that. Wait, let me change it again. I'm going to apply this one. I'm going to change it to brown. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your hair color in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.